Lately, AI-generated videos where characters are formed from toothpaste gel being squeezed out of a tube have been getting a massive amount of engagement and views. In this video, I'm going to show you the logic behind these videos and exactly how you can create this type of content yourself. First, open ChatGPT. Paste the specially updated master prompt I've prepared for this concept into the message box. You can quickly customize the variables within the master prompt, either manually or with the help of an AI tool, to fit the specific length and scenario of the video you want to create. You can find this master prompt and detailed instructions on how to use it in the Master Prompts channel of our free Telegram group, which is linked in the video description. Since these videos are designed for short and fast-paced consumption, I've requested 2 image prompts and 1 video prompt. First, copy the first generated image prompt and head over to OpenArt AI. In OpenArt, select the Create Image option and choose the Nano Banana 2 model. Paste the copied image prompt into the prompt section and select the 9:16 vertical format. Depending on your budget, you can choose different resolutions and image generation models. Once we check the generated image and confirm it's exactly what we want, we save it. Since we want to avoid any unwanted changes in our scene, we're going to use the Edit Image section on the OpenArt site. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the second image prompt. Return to OpenArt. Upload the first scene image we created into the Edit Image section, paste the prompt we copied into the command box, and generate our second scene image. The reason we use the Edit Image section is to achieve perfect consistency between the scenes. After our images are ready, select the Frame to Video section. Again, you can use different models and output settings based on your budget. I'm selecting VO 3.1 as the video generation model. Then, I'm placing the first image I created into the Start frame and the second scene I generated into the End frame section. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, return to OpenArt, and paste the video command into the prompt box. Make sure the audio setting is on. I'm selecting Fast mode to get quick and suitable results. At this stage, I recommend Quality mode for those with a higher budget, and the Light model for those on a tighter budget. I'm selecting the 9:16 vertical format, setting it to 720p quality and 8 seconds in length. You can adjust your output preferences for higher resolution or different video lengths, then click the Create button. The final result will look something like this. To improve your content production and editing skills, you can join our free communities via the link in the description. There, you can chat with like-minded people and support us on our journey to build the largest global content creation community. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like the video, share your suggestions and requests in the comments, and subscribe to the channel.